Salaam, everybody. This is Investor Shake back at it again with another video. And today's halal stock pick of the week is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Stock price is at 108.10. So far, Tesla is having a rocky start to the year. It is another red day as they are down 12% for the day. And I have this chart pulled up on Think or Swim showing how the stock has performed in 2022, and it has not been a good year as the stock was in the mid 300s and has had a long-term decline all the way down to the low 100s, with the possibility of it going to the double digits. Now, many have posed this as a buying opportunity. So let's zoom into the most recent movement. So throughout December, we've seen nothing but red. And I have this RSI study below the graph showing whether this security is overbought or oversold. Now, this isn't financial advice, but rather a tool to see whether Tesla stock is overbought or oversold. And with the RSI being in the 30s, high 20s, it is definitely in the oversold territory. But by no means does that mean that we've reached the bottom of the stock. It could go even lower this year. And part of that reason is due to their deliveries report. Now, in previous quarters, they've exceeded expectations with their deliveries. The demand is exceeding the supply, and that's good news for the company in previous quarters. But for now, we're not getting that consistent good news, as the deliveries have not been meeting expectations. Because, quite honestly, whenever they have earning reports, analysts tend to have high expectations for the company in order to justify the speculation of the price. But sometimes if they don't meet those expectations, then the earnings report may come out as bad news for the company. So they reported their fourth quarter vehicle production and delivery numbers, which fell shy of analyst expectations and company stated goals. They had over 405,000 total deliveries for the quarter and 1.3 million total deliveries for the year, which is a record compared to the previous year, but these analysts are just so picky with their numbers. But really, another reason why the stock price is at 52-week lows is the trajectory of the stock market as a whole. I mean, quite honestly, we are in a bear market and most likely in a recession, which could impact majority of this year, unfortunately. But the stock market has its cycles. For the past 11 years since the 2008 crash, we've been in a bull market. So now we have to experience the bear market, which could happen for a span of years until we reach another bull market. So it all runs in cycles. So for some investors, this may pose as a buying opportunity, And for Tesla, some may view this as a buying opportunity of a lifetime, but that's not financial advice. You have to look at how the company is performing and whether you are in it for the short term or the long term. I can tell you the short term is not looking good for Tesla as we speak. But if you expect this company to recover and release new vehicles and exceed delivery numbers in future quarters in the next 5 to 10 years, then this could be an opportunity to accumulate shares of Tesla during this downturn. But if you're day trading this security, I would not expect any good news for the short term. But it's up to you as the individual investor if you want to purchase this stock at this time. Again, this stock is at $108. We don't know if we have reached the bottom. This is Investor Shake, checking out.